Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to return old YouTube playout. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, make sure to install this Chrome extension and add it to your Chrome. Now if you go to YouTube, you will see these options right here. This is from the extension. Now go to that and you can change its position. I just changed it at the bottom of the window. Now to remove this one right here, when you scroll down, just go to your settings of your extension and uncheck this one. Now as you can see, if we scroll down, there is no longer video. Now if you want to remove the options from your extension, just install this uBlock Origin and add it to your Chrome. Let's wait for that. Just click on that. And select this one. Now go to the options of your extension and then select create. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.